Hello everyone, this is Kerimale. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to design a simple business card just in 5 minutes. What you have to do is to subscribe, switch back to Illustrator, and then let's begin. I will start by creating the canvas, which is going to have 9 centimeters on width and a height of 5.4 centimeters. And I will need 2 artboards for both front and back side of the business card. And I go ahead and create my project. Just boom. And we are going to use a recent logo design from the client, which is this one. It's a Brisky resto bar. We do just Ctrl C or Command C and paste it here. I reduce the size by pressing Alt and Shift key. So I will go ahead and we are going to change the colors, to switch the colors, just like this. I will select this and then group them, and I go ahead and select this, and we are going to leave this as a yellow, and I can go ahead and delete that shape. I will go ahead and add this logo here on the sides of the business card, and I will go ahead and create a small shape which is going to look like a small line. I press V just to reduce the thickness, and we are going to make this yellow. I can increase my size of the logo, and I can zoom in a little bit just to reduce the height of it. Yeah, we can make it center right like this, and I will go ahead and copy some information we are going to use on the business card by pressing Ctrl C or Command C and paste it here inside our Illustrator. I'm not going to use the same font I used on the logo, but now I'm going to use hardware. I read them as the regular fonts, so I can go ahead and copy this by pressing Ctrl C or Command C and then Ctrl V just to paste the word. I can go ahead and make this into semi-bold, and we are going also to make this in yellow by pressing eyedropper tool. You can pick it. We're going also to need this title down here, which is always necessary, and I'm going to reduce its size to maybe 7. We can increase it after, and then yeah, this is enough for it. And we need to have this in red, not in black, just to go with the logo colors, which are yellow and dark red, rouge et bordeaux. Yeah, sometimes I speak French, so I can go ahead and add this stroke line. Hope you see that. And I will go ahead by pressing Z and zoom out. I'm going to add the contact information, and I'm going also to need this right here real quick, and I'm going also to duplicate this word, or I can select this and press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate it. I press copy and then paste it here, delete that one, and then we can go ahead and copy this, and we can come here and press Ctrl or Command D just to duplicate the recent typo, and then we can have it like this. So I will go ahead and choose them in red, dark red, so we can have our concept here. And what we need also is to add the icons, which I have here. I will also share with you guys the package of these icons, like the way I did on my recent tutorial of how to design a poster for social media. So I can reduce these ones, and then we can add them here. Very cool, right? I need to reduce the size real quick because yeah, just with these curls I need them like from the top of the text. Like this. Okay, I can go ahead and increase my size. Like this. And then you have to make sure they are all aligned at the edges. Like if you are running them from the left, make sure they are all aligned from the left. Yeah, that would be cool. What we do next, I'm going to add like some cool shapes down here, which is red, and then by pressing Alt and Shift I can duplicate my concept, and then I can select eyedropper, so I can also press Ctrl Shift and open bracket, send it back, so I can make something cool like this. I can increase the size. You have to leave some space, equal spaces at the edges, because as we know we need to print this out, right? What you're going to do next, I'm going to hold Alt and Shift key and then paste it here, so I can increase my size here. And yeah, we're near the end. We are having our logo here, and we are having our business card finalized. So this is it, guys. And in the next courses I will show you how to arrange business card. We might do it in maybe in Illustrator or InDesign, no one knows. Okay, let me hope you run something, and then please do subscribe and share this wherever you can.